Hi there, Chris here. I have a package from a good buddy of mine, and we're going to open it right now. And it's nice and sealed up very well. Let me see if I can get into here. Being careful, cutting through tape. There we go. Very well packaged. And this is from my buddy Chaz. Chaz's lock picking. And I am really surprised, Chaz, because you've already sent me other goodies in a forwarded package from our buddy Mr. Lewis. And here now there's more. So we have talked a little bit on the email, because I definitely getting you back, and can't believe you did this. So let's see what we have here. Great packing material. All right, a little more cutting. Ooh, what is this? Whoa! Ooh, a dom with some interesting keys. Now, I'm sure there's a story behind this. Whoa. So that goes in. Oh, wait a minute. You got to put them together, I'm thinking. You got to put them together. That's really interesting. Let's see if I can do this. I'm sorry if I'm off screen. So this is a dom together, and it works. Okay, there's a story behind this. I gotta ask you. Wow. All right, cool. Very cool. And you picked some really awesome dimple locks. And I'm way behind you on dimple locks, but I do love them, and I do like trying them. So thank you. I'm gonna let that set. So that's a dom, split key interactive, I'd call it. All right, super cool. And I'm sure you'll put in the comments the split key, what's happening with that. But you put them together and they work just great. A little more cutting. What is this? I also want to say I got another package today from our buddy, or one of our good buddies, but I think his internet might be out or something, because I haven't been able to get it in contact with him for a couple of days. So I don't want to. Whoa. Oh, this is what I think it is. So I don't want to do a package opening without him. You know what I'm saying? Because that's half the fun. That is half the fun. Shooting the guy a message and saying, oh, a cool Vero. Very cool. Now, is this a, I don't know. Chaz, Chaz is cool. You got to check his channel out. You got to check out his picking. Okay, so that. Okay, so one key does both of these guys. And it turns right, and there's no pressure or no spring on that guy, or it doesn't appear to be much. Whoa, very unique. Chaz, I definitely got to get you back. Definitely got you. And they keep coming. They keep coming. So, I have to say, Suki is pretty damn good at cruising eBay, but Chaz might have her beat. Chaz comes up with stuff off eBay like, I'll see it and I'll go, how did I miss that? Or how come Suki didn't pick up on that one? Anyway, he is a great guy. Check his channel out. Check out his picking. As you can see, he is a super cool guy. Ooh, Evas. I love Evas. Eva. Nasty. A good old nasty Eva. Very cool. Very, very cool. Where's my wiper? Did I lose it? That's how I lose my knives, is they end up getting kind of thrown back in the packing. And next thing you know, where's my knife? All right, ooh, this one's too wet. Very cool Eva. Let me get this key off here. There we go. There's the bitting on the key. Nice Eva, nice. Works like butter. Now I wonder if there's an easier side and a harder side. Sometimes gyros are that way and sometimes they're not. All right, thank you, dude. I can hardly wait to start playing with these. And then yet another one. This dude and totally well protected. Oh, a union. Ooh. Totally well protected. Totally, and package is all reinforced. Both, you know, this way and this way and this way and this way. Pin tumbler padlock. Ooh. Oh my God, it's a tiny, oh. I can't believe it. It's closed shackle. Look at this guy. Oh my God, is that the coolest? He's like, knows I love closed shackle padlocks. All right, it has a unsprung shackle. So you turn it and you pull it out. There's the bitting on the key. Says Union Parks, Union Parks, England. Oh, Parks, probably that's where they're made, in Parks. Dude, this is so way cool. I can't wait to stick pics in all this stuff. All right, definitely. We gotta talk, because I have a lock that I'm gonna send you. I only found one of them, but it's yours. We already talked about that. But dude, you sent me too much. Anyway, check out Chaz's lock picking. Chaz, let me know. Let me know the story behind this. That's got to be good. It's got to be good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, leave a comment, and check out Chaz. Oh man, I love opening packages. All right, we will see you next time.